And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a radioactive symbol. And it's actually quite simple. We'll start with the ellipse tool, hold Ctrl when you drag it. It has a black fill for now. Well, let me give it a red one with the basic swatches below. Now I need a straight line. I'll hold Ctrl, left click 2 times. It has a black stroke. Select it all, object, align and distribute. Last selected is active in the dropdown, and I align it to the center. Make sure your line is selected, go to Object and Transform. We need the Rotate menu over here, and an angle of 120 degrees, which is explained by 360 divided by 3. Doesn't matter in which direction we apply it, but you have to press Ctrl D first, so that way you can create copies and apply the rotation. So we've got 6 segments. Shift click on the lines, then path and stroke the path. Now shift click on one line and on our red circle, then path and difference. And this creates these 6 segments within the circle. Repeat the process 2 times for the other lines. It's still one element, so I need to go to path and break apart first. And now we've got these 6 segments separately. Shift click on 3 of them, make it black. Now use the ellipse to go to the center. The snapping is enabled, so it snaps. Then hold Ctrl and Shift and drag. Let me make that red as well. Press Ctrl D. Hold Shift and Ctrl and size it down. I'll make it black. Select the circle, Ctrl D. Continue to hold Shift and Ctrl and then size it up, put it in the background. Once more, Ctrl D. And again, size it up, holding Shift and Ctrl, put it to the background. I'll make this one black. Now all we have to do is to select all of the red elements with a shift click. So it's 2 circles and these 3 segments in the middle. And then give it a yellow color. If you don't like the default yellow, just open your fill and stroke menu and play around, for example, with the color wheel. Select it all, Ctrl G to group it. And this is how you can create the radioactive symbol in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.